Here is my favorite list of Top 35 Best Gift for Girl. Buying links are given in the description and comment box. Number 1. Artificial Rose. Number 2. Chocolate Gift Box. Number 3. Bluetooth Speaker. Number 4. Skin Care Kit. Number 5. Handbags. Number 6. Bonsai and Plant. Number 7. Bluetooth Headphone. Number 8. Alarm Clocks. Number 9. Rings. Number 10. Manicure Kits. Number 11. Hair Dryers. Number 12. Smartwatch. Number 13. Diary and Day Planner. Number 14. Secondary Mobile Phone. Number 15. Home Decor. Number 16. Wall Art, Wall Decor. Number 17. Artificial Plants. Number 18. Bedroom Lamp. Number 19. Table or Desk Decor. Number 20. Power Banks. Number 21. Footwears or Sneakers. Number 22. Fitness Band. Number 23. Hand Bracelets. Number 24. Pen Drives. Number 25. Sunglasses and Hat. Number 26. Wireless Charger. Number 27. Water Bottles. Number 28. Kindle ebook Reader. Number 29. Bangles. Number 30. Electric Kettles. Number 31. Jewelry Sets. Number 32. Chairs. Number 33. Backpack. Number 34. Coffee Maker. Number 35. Perfume. Thank you for watching our video on the top 35 best gift ideas for girls. We hope that you found our list helpful and informative. Don't forget to check out the buying links in the description and comment box below to purchase gifts from gift ideas mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for your support and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.